Okay. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, classmates. So, I'm Aljun Francis Icarion, and today I'm gonna demonstrate the infant care. So, we have 6 kinds of procedure. First is the cleaning of the feeding bottles. Second is the sterilization. Third is preparation of milk formula. Then followed by bathing the baby, feeding the baby, and birthing the baby. So the first procedure that we're going to do is to clean the feeding bottle. So before anything else, so we need to do the hand washing technique. So done, and then after that, get dismantle the calibrated bottle, put it in the basin. And then the leveling knife and the tongue. And then
Can you identify the part of the feeding bottle?
parts. So this is the ring, the groove, the cap nipple, the rim, and then the bottle.
Wala lagi yung spring.
And then the
Nipple or string number?
nipple and the cover of the.
Pagto na.
Then also the small and big brushes inside the basin. So pour water, then swirl, discard, then add water again, and soak. So make a lather. Then start cleaning. First is clean the bottle inside using the big brush. And then the rim. Then the cup, the nipple using the small brush. Then add some small amount of water and then squirt to remove the excess dirt. Then the ring using the small brush, the groove. And then also the leveling knife and the tongue. So now discard the water with the soap. Then add some water. And then discard until the soap will remove. So after that, we're now going to sterilize the bottle. So open the cover, prepare get this. We have 2 kinds of steriling. Yes,
Ang cup. Ang
yes,
cup.
ma'am.
Wrong side up. Ayun.
Before that, ma'am,
Taga na.
we have 2 kinds of steriling machine or steriling pad.
Upside down guys.
Lighting.
Sterilizing. So we have the manual steriling pad and the electric steriling pad. So what we have now is the manual steriling pad. So first, do the hand washing technique. Then
Put upside down.
open, get the cover, then place it upside down. Then add water, swirl, then discard. Then put the bottle inside the steriling pot, and then the small object in the center. So do not include the nipple because it will easily melt, and it is made by silicone. So at the side, put the tongue and the leveling knife. Then cover. Then turn on. So the sterilization start with 20 to 25 minutes after boiling point. So the 20 minutes to 25 minutes has been reached. So open the cover, place it upside down, and then get the nipple put it inside the stirring pot, then close, and then extend or add 5 minutes to sterilize the nipple without turning on the stove. So the 5 minutes has been reached. Open the cover, place it upside down. So get first the tongue. Make sure that you're going to hold the object outside part of the object. So
Don't kindly name the different kinds of basins.
so the different kind of this basin is we have a plastic, aluminum, and metal. And it's
Stainless.
stainless, ma'am, not metal.
So you're using plastic.
The plastic, we're using plastic, so make sure that the basin is properly clean and dry.
Yes.
Yes. So get the object, the bottle. Make sure that you're going to hold the outside part of the object. And then next is the peeling knife. Then assemble the nipple and the ring on top of the stirring pot or on top of the basin to avoid dropping, accidental dropping. Ma'am, kabuto lang ko ma'am kay ni sulod dito sa kuan.
Sige, atukso.
So, so now we're going to proceed to the preparation of the milk formula. So we have two kinds of milk. So the powdered milk and the ready-made milk. And then the ratio is 2:1, 2 ounces of water and 1 cup of powdered milk. So get the bottle, open, place it upside down, then pour mineral or distilled water in the bottle. Then get the cup, get the scoop. So do not tuck in, use the leveling knife to blunt the side of the powdered milk
Blunt side
to
of
flat out.
blunt. Tara.
Yeah, this is blunt ma'am now, blunt. So blunt the excess powdered milk. Then pour. So there's two way of mixing the milk. So we have a rotatory motion using in between of your palm, and then we have also the swirl or the circular motion. So after that, put the milk on the basin with lukewarm water, room temperature. And then we are going to proceed of bathing the babies. The baby, I mean. So do hand washing before bathing the babies. You need to get the body temperature of the baby. So get the thermometer, clean it first. You should clean this thermometer before and after using. So clean from tip to stem. Get a cotton balls with 70% alcohol. So avoid cleaning the lid. Discard, and then insert. So if the baby is spray dry, use the TSB or the Tipid sponge bath, And if the baby is febrile, so you can proceed bathing the baby. So the temperature is normal, clean, scarred. Then after that, prepare the bathing materials. So put a towel on top of the tub to avoid sleeping the tub under to avoid sleeping the tub and the basin. And then pour lukewarm water in the tub, in the basin. Then you can test the temperature of the water using your wrist and your elbow. So the water is fine. So now we're going to prepare the cotton balls into the clean kidney basin. So using the forceps, our forceps is rinsed by sterile water. So we need to rinse first the water before getting the cotton balls. Then after that, get something soap padded and put it on the table to protect the neck or the knuckle area of the baby. Now, carry the baby. Take the knuckle area. Put it on the table. Then remove the cup. Dili sa mga cleaning sa Isa. Okay.
Ang bib lang area.
Okay. Remove the bib. Now we will clean first the eyes. So get cotton balls with warm water. So inner to outer cantos. So flip the cotton balls. Other side, inner to outer cantos. Then discard. So you can repeat. You can do it twice or until the mood will remove them. No. And then after that. Clean the neck, the face of the baby. So remove the cap, ma'am. No need.
Itaas lang gamay.
Okay. So get a cotton ball. Hold the forehead. So forehead, cheek, bridge of the nose, other cheek, chin, under or behind the ears. Squeeze. Tina. Discard. Forehead, cheek, under the nose, other cheek, chin, under or behind the ears, squeeze, tina. Then wash the neck, wash, then wash. Then now remove the cap of the baby. Then hold the baby in a football hold. Then you can flip the ears to avoid entering the water inside the ears. And if the ears of the baby is quite big, so you can put cotton balls inside the ears. So the head should be lower than the body of the baby. So now wash. Add soap, and then massage to the pad of your finger, and then rinse properly. Then after that, get a face cloth to cover the head of the baby. Then put on the table. then dry pad. Then, after that, put a new new head cap.
Why do you have to immediately
At
replace?
to avoid congestion, ma'am, cold or fever.
Okay.
And then now we're going to clean the perineum, and then cover the upper extremity of the baby. So remove the bottom garment of the baby. Open the canela, then remove the booties, pajama, and then remove the diaper. So the clean part of the diaper, you can use this for initial cleaning to clean the penis, scrotum, under scrotum, and then this side the groins, other side groin, and then lift up the legs of the baby, then let the buttocks lie on the clean or outside part of the diaper. Then after this, prepare a new set of flanela. Then on top of the flanela, put the new set of garments. They prepare the shirt and then the diaper. So get a towel, put it across of your chest. Then remove the flanela of the baby. The mittens, the shirt, and then dispose the diaper properly. Then carry the baby, support the nuchal area. And then position yourself in the hollow part of the tub. And then put inside the baby the semi-polar position. So wash the neck, axilla, arms. Pay attention in between the fingers, the chest, the groins, the legs, foot. Pay attention in between the. Then add soap. Same procedure. Then rinse. Rinse it properly to avoid skin irritation or skin allergy. Then clean the back of the baby. So transfer to your other hand. So nuchal, the back, arms, the buttocks, the thigh, and the foot of the baby. Then add soap, Same procedure. Then rinse properly. Then after that, rest the baby on your chest or in your abdomen, and then cover to avoid chilling. Then put the baby away from the new set of garments.
So that is the 12. 12.
Ah yes, this is the sword, ma'am.
12, so you have to discard the 12 already now.
Yes, ma'am.
So the myself.
Then pat dry the baby, sella, groins, and the neck. And then after that, transfer the baby to the new set of garments, to the new panela, port the local area. Then cover the baby. So clean the nose of the baby using the wet cotton bud, dry cotton buds.
No?
Nose, ma'am.
Slightly moist.
Slightly moist. Use the cotton buds with slightly moist to remove the boogart. Then also the ears with the wet one, no? Wet
Dry.
cotton.
Dry.
Dry cotton buds.
Okay, basta mo ito sa dry.
Yeah. Then discard. Then get cotton balls to clean the umbilicus. So pay attention at the center. Then do a circular motion, small to big circular motion, and at least you can do it at least 3 times. So after that, insert the mittens, the baby. It should be wrong side out to avoid accidental cutting the fingers of the baby. Other side. Wrong side out to avoid accidental cutting the finger of the baby. Then insert the new shirt in the armhole. Then other armhole.
Bye.
Then make a ribbon, so it will easy to remove. Then put the other garments, the diaper and the pajama. Then the booty.
Wala na siya. Hilak na higit mo. Ito makakalbo. Ito makakalbo.
Should be wrong side out. Avoid accidental cutting of the toe. Then, nullify the baby. Then, put on the baby's beak. Then tie on the side. Take a ribbon. And then now, we're going to feed the baby. So,
Birthday towel naman.
ma'am,
Birthday towel.
Towel.
put a birthing towel in your shoulder.
Kasama, siguro naman.
Carry the baby, support the nuka.
Pangitan niya, girlfriend niya na ito.
Abi ko ginuha na, ma'am.
Get the milk from the basin with lukewarm water. Then test the temperature of the milk. Put it on your hand to test the milk. So the milk is fine. So put it upside down. Then use your finger to stimulate the rooting reflex of the baby. So put your pinky finger to side of the
Pa-open.
lip of the mouth of the baby. So and it will open. So insert the nipple immediately.
Anak pagka-cold. Tuyo. Yan. Okay.
Okay.
Para pagkuhan yung pag-anak open, doon ra pagbutang. So your hand to be closer.
Closer ba?
Yan. Okay.
Double pin.
Wait.
So,
Ay. Pinatulog ka ba?
if the baby is done, use your pinky finger again to put your pinky finger side of the mouth of the baby, and if the mouth will open, remove the nipple immediately.
Nakaila yung girlfriend. Oo.
So now we're gonna proceed to the burping the baby or the front on the shoulder burping. So the abdomen of the baby should be opposite of my shoulder, and then massage the back, and then observe the six signs of symptoms of infant choking. So the difficulty of breathing, then the bluish of the face,
Discoloration.
Ma'am?
Bluish discoloration.
Bluish discoloration, and then difficulty of crying, difficulty of coughing, and then glaring of the eyes, and then the restlessness.
So
So
that is a shoulder burp. So the abdomen already is against your
shoulder.
neck.
So now sitting down burp. Sitting down.
One, Yes.
Alam,
Ang baby naka-sit sa imong lap. So, okay naman ka mag-work nga na position.
Okay.
Pero sitting down, ang bata, iba-incod
Oh, sa lap. Kato ng lap or prone. Prone bar.
Foot or lap, magdapa. Kana, ka-ikron yung mga bata sa imong paa. Yan. So, where's the pressure of the abdomen?
So, yeah. Then the abdomen against of your forearm.
But you have to
Then transfer the barfing towel to your forearm.
Okay, that's it. Sitting down there.
Sitting down. Then observe again the 6 signs of symptoms
Okay,
of infant choking. Then after that, the lap birth.
lap or prone, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Lap or prone. Okay, execute.
So the abdomen of the baby should be against of my thigh,
Yes.
and then massage the back, no?
That's the
Massage the back, and then observe the 6 signs of symptoms of infant choking.
So, ang antiya natin yung paa, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next step.
So next step is check the diaper of the baby for the to check the decaffeinate and urine.
The baby has defecated.
Defecated. Decaffeinate.
Defecated kape naman, right?
Dito sa mga defecated.
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 Urinate.
And then the urine. And then
Tapos,
after
wala.
that, check the
Crib.
the crib of the baby, the small and the sharp object, and then the presence of
Insect.
insects. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then how do you position the baby inside the crib?
So, ano siya, ma'am? Tapos raise the side view.
The head.
The head of the
The baby should be on a forward position.
palm position. So,
Okay, back to the Then you have to check again the temp, bakit nagka-fever, no? And then observe further within 5 minutes before you raise the side rails and you're going to leave them now. Okay. Then, hold them.
Nahulog yan po.